Hello and welcome to GHRC News Desk at this hour. Few highlights. Medical Device Hackathon Medha 2024 organized by GHRCE. PhD pre-submission seminar organized by Mechanical Engineering Department. Open Viva-Voce for PhD organized by Electrical Engineering Department. Guest lecture on Masterclass on Digital Marketing and Generative AI organized by Department of Management Studies. Industrial visit to Dinshaw's Dairy Foods Private Limited and ISR activity visit to Matoshri Old Age Home. Now, the news in detail. Medical Device Hackathon, Biomedical Engineering and Technology, Innovation Center, BITEC, GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur, under the mentorship of BITEC IIT Mumbai, BITEC VNIT Nagpur, and clinical partners AIIMS Nagpur have organized two-day Medical Device Hackathon, Medha 2024 on 28th and 29th of September 2024. The program got the nationwide response of 37 participants from various medical and engineering institutes like Indira Gandhi Government Medical College, Nagpur, NKP Salve Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center, Nagpur, Ranjit Deshmukh Dental College and Research Center, Nagpur, Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai, Muthyamallam Engineering College, Rasipuram, Tamil Nadu, KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, Esavari Engineering College, Ramapuram, Chennai, Misrimal Navaji Munoth Jain Engineering College, Thorai Pakkam, Chennai, Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering, Kotturpuram, Chennai, and GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur have participated for the event. The participants team of 4, in which medical doctor, design, engineer, engineering 1, mechanical, manufacturing, material engineering 2, electronics, electrical, computer science, have presented the working prototypes. On 28th September, the program was inaugurated by the hands of Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director, GHRCE Nagpur. The welcome and felicitation of eminent jury members and doctors were done. Then on 29th September 2024, for jury panel, Chief guest Dr. Lokendra Singh, neurosurgeon, CIIMS Nagpur. Guest of honor Dr. Shiv Narayan Acharya, nephrologist, Kim Kengsway, Nagpur, and Dr. Anil Golhar, orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Golhar's Hospital, Nagpur, were present. From industry persons, Mr. Rohan Deshpande and Ayush Gaikwad, founder and CEO of Raikura Medical Technologies Private Limited, Nagpur, had graced the jury discussion. This program was well coordinated by Professor Suraj Dude and organizing team by the program under the valuable guidance of Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director, GHRCE Nagpur, Dr. Santosh Chaju, Deputy Director and Dean R&D, GHRCE Nagpur, and Dr. Pramod Walke, Deputy Director and Dean Academics, GHRCE Nagpur. BITEC team was thankful to Honorable Chairman Shri Sunil Raisoni for continuous motivation. The second in news, we have PhD thesis pre-submission seminar of Mr. Amol Pitale. On October 19th, the Mechanical Engineering Department hosted a significant academic event with the PhD pre-thesis seminar of Mr. Amol Pitale. The seminar took place at the HOD Mechanical Meeting Hall and attracted a distinguished audience, including Dr. M.P. Singh from RTMNU, who participated as a RAC expert, and Dr. Devendra Deshmukh from IIT Indore, who joined the session online to offer insights for the final submission of the thesis to RTMNU Nagpur. The seminar was also attended by Dr. R.S. Shelke, the head of the Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. P.Y. Pavde, Dean of PG and PhD Studies, Dr. Abhay Khadatkar, PhD Coordinator, along with 9 other faculty members and 4 PhD students, all present to support and provide feedback. Mr. Pitade has been pursuing his research under the mentorship of Dr. P.V. Warke, Professor and Deputy Director at GHRC, making this seminar a crucial milestone in his doctoral research journey. Next, we have Open Viva-Voce test of the PhD thesis organized by Department of Electrical Engineering. Open Viva-Voce test of the PhD thesis submitted by Ramchandra Harichandra Adware is conducted on 24th October 2024 at 10 a.m. in the Department of Electrical Engineering, GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur, in hybrid mode. The expert for the seminar was Dr. Gunwant Dhomane, RAC committee member, Dr. S.S. Ambekar, PhD supervisor, Dr. Vinod Kumar Chandrakar, Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director GHRC, Dr. Prashant Paude, Dean PNG and PhD Programs, and Dr. Santosh B. Jaju, Dean R&D. And faculties and research scholars from Electrical Department were attended the seminar. Experts appreciated the research work and declared the award of PhD degree to Ramchandra Hirachandra Adware. Total 32 attendees were present for the seminar. Next, we have the guest lecture on Masterclass on Digital Marketing and Generative AI was organized and by the hands of Mr. Govind Chanda, business head at Growth Accord, recently led a masterclass. This was on digital marketing and generative AI. He is a well-known digital marketing training expert and has trained thousands of students across some of the top institutes in India. The session focused on how generative AI can transform marketing strategies by generative AI and also enhance content creation, automating processes, and personalizing customer experiences. Participants learn about various AI tools, including their practical applications in marketing campaigns and the importance of ethical considerations. The masterclass aimed to equip marketers with the skills needed to leverage AI for improved engagement and efficiency in their campaigns, ultimately driving innovation in the digital marketing landscape. Mr. Govind Chanda nicely told students about the importance of digital marketing and its benefits, which will help them earn good packages and compensation in the future. His real-world example and case studies made the concepts easily understandable and relatable. Now, the industrial visit to Dinshaw's Dairy Foods Private Limited. On September 30th, 2024, the Department of Management Studies at GHRCE College of Engineering organized an industrial visit to Dinshaw's Dairy Foods Private Limited to provide students with practical exposure to industrial processes and real-world application of theoretical concepts. The visit included a tour of the manufacturing unit where students observed stages of ice cream production and learn about equipment such as Puyan and Panchal machines. Puyan and Panchal machines is the latest one to join in this industry. A Q&A session with company officials covered production challenges and the role of automation. The visit highlighted safety protocols, quality controls, and insights into workforce management, offering valuable lessons on automation, productivity, and maintaining product standards. And last, we have ISR activity visit to Matoshri Old Age Home. As part of its institutional social responsibility initiative, the Department of Management Studies organized a visit to Matoshri Old Age Home on October 24, 2024, aiming to foster social commitment among students and provide support to the elderly residents. The department donated essential items including food supplies and a mixer grinder, while the visit featured a faculty tour, interactive sessions, a flower ceremony, and an eye donation awareness camp. Students observed the home's impressive infrastructure, including self-sustainable practices and a solar energy unit. The visit left a profound impact, raising awareness about the challenges faced by the elderly and emphasizing the value of empathy, family, and community service. Recommendation for future support, including providing recreational items, regular visits, and utilizing the facility for events. The initiative was a meaningful experience, strengthening the bond between students and the community. Here, the GHRC News Desk ends only for today, but a lot is in store on the other side as soon as we meet the next time. Until, take care. This is Manish Nair signing off as a host.